This product can be installed in two ways.
Plug-in installation. Before installation, remove the 4 plastic protective caps. Install the 4 supports by tightening the Allen screws. Measure and record the distance between the centers of the supports. Determine a location for installation. Mark the central point of the top left support. Use a level and a measuring tape to mark all 4 central points. Drill holes in the drywall at the 4 central points of the 4 supports. Disregard for wooden walls. Place drywall anchors in each of the 4 holes. Disregard for wooden walls. Install the support bases with notches facing out. Place the warmer supports onto the support bases. Secure the supports by tightening the Allen screws. Plug in your towel warmer and then switch it on. Hardwired installation. This should only be done by an electrician. Cut the power cable. Strip all 3 wires for a proper connection. Put the wires through the combined support tube and panel. Connect the wires. Secure the supports by tightening the Allen screws. Turn on the power and switch it on.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.